I'm trying to build a bleeding heart floral arrangement for my children. So far, that's what I have. Working on it. Unfortunately, I have to make these type of arrangements in life. I put this one together in honor of my 3 children's father. I made this for them. It took hours, so I didn't want to record making this, but I had the help of Sammy Joe on the phone. There's bleeding hearts and lilies. I think my children will be, I think they will be happy. I actually think they'll be pleased. I just want to show you the back as well, because I have to complete it. I don't like anything left open. But this is in honor of my ex-husband, the children's father.